In this video, I want to show you how to paint rock like this. Then you can put it in your game and set dress your level. In color theory lesson, I explained about warm and cool colors. Here, I want to take sample from the rock in the direct sunlight and in the shadow. I pick color from here. You can see that the side that is facing to the sun are in the category of warm color. And if I take sample from color in shadow area, you can see that these color are in the category of the cool colors. Same rules apply here. If I pick color sample from the area that is directly lit by the sun, they are in the warm category. And if I take sample from the area in shadow, they are in cool category. So let's summarize what we learned to a rule. When you want to paint an object and sun is shine on it, the side that is directly face to the sun must have warm color because the light source has a warm color. And the area that is not lit by sun and get light from the cloud, because the light from the clouds is blue and cool, you must paint cool color in the shadow area. Now let's start to paint our rock. First of all, I select Kyle Ultimate Charcoal Pencil, but I change the default setting. I play with the spacing to control the noise. I turn off dual brush and I turn on transfer. So I have control over the opacity of the brush when I paint. I start with a yellow color. Then I select blue color. When you want to mix two colors together, transfer is very useful. If you set it to pen pressure, you can control and blend two colors to each other easily. It's easy, just hold Alt and try to make new color sample from the area that is merged with the other color. Add horizontal cracks to the rock. It shows the rocks are made of several layers on top of each other. You can press and hold tilde key to switch the brush tool from paint mode to erase mode. Erase around the rock and make it cleaner. Select a more saturated and warmer yellow. Paint with this warmer yellow on the bottom of the rock. Because the bottom area is less heat by the sun, so less light will reach to this area. It means this area is darker, and when a color becomes darker, it becomes more saturated. Same rule applies to the blue. Select a warmer and saturated blue and paint with this warmer and saturated blue on the bottom area of the rock. For a detailed explanation of the color theory, please watch the previous lessons. In that lessons, I have explained about the warm and cool colors. Paint grass on top of the rock. With a lighter shade of green, paint over the base color. Paint shadow below the grass. Select hard run pressure size brush with hard tip while the shape dynamic is activated and control is set to pen pressure. Then draw single strokes of grass in different area to create more variation of the grass. You can edit the color using color balance. With a darker and saturated color, paint on top side of the cracks. When you paint cracks, if you divide the cracks into top side and down side, the top side must be darker. By making the top side darker, you will create the contrast. It shows that the bottom side is getting light from the sky, but the top side gets less light from the sky and is darker. Repeat the same process and paint other rocks. Add shadow between two rocks. It will emphasize the sense of 3D of your painting. Using lasso tools, draw petals of the flower. Then fill it with a red color. With a lighter red, paint around the petals. Add shadow beneath the flowers. Change the color of the flowers using color adjustment tools in Photoshop. You can use hue saturation, color balance, or level. Painting rock is finished. I hope you like this video and practice to paint your rock.